This is the only full-size multi-tool I own. I had a Gerber a while back, but I sold that. As I told you in another video some time ago, I'm not big on multi-tools. I think they make a bad job of making. They are a poor excuse of a knife. They are a poor excuse of pliers. They are a poor excuse at almost everything. I say, if you need a knife, take a knife. If you need pliers, take pliers. I know that you can't carry tools everywhere, but you should always have a toolbox in your car that can solve the situation. And not I at least, are not so long way from my car, so I can get what I need there from there. And the same thing works at home. This is a cheap one I bought at a farming show. Sweden's biggest, or the Northern Europe's biggest, I think. It's pretty good quality, and I'm using it when I'm fishing. That's the only time I use it. The tools are located in this construction, so you have to open it to get at the tools. Not a good thing. The tools locks with a slip joint here, like an old or more, like most of the Victorinox knives. It got Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, knife, pliers with wire cutters. You got can opener, bottle opener, file, and a measuring stick on the back of this file here. And this, I don't know what it's used for, but it's excellent to scale the fish, take off the scales of the fish. And as you see, it comes with bits. So you got this, so you can put on an adapter and take here a flat screwdriver bits and put in there. That's pretty good, actually. I like that. Yeah, so this is probably the, I'm not gonna say never more another multi-tool, but I'm probably not gonna buy any expensive multi-tools anymore, at least. It comes in a nylon pocket. It haven't lost any stitches yet, so it's probably a pretty good quality for it, for the money. Can put your belt through there. That's the only carry option, not horizontal, just this. Yeah. Bye bye then.